こんにちは、Saki です。And lots of people have requested me that I make a video about the particles wa and ga. So today I'm going to teach you 5 basic differences. Let's get started. Number 1. Wa plus important information. Important information plus ga. This person is introducing himself. 私は学生です。I'm a student. We usually drop 私 when it's obvious, but today I'd like to explain the difference between wa and ga, so I added it. When you introduce yourself, the key words in the sentences are the actual details about yourself. In this case, the word 学生 is more key to the intent and purpose of the sentence than 私. In this kind of sentence, we use wa. In this case, before 学生. Here is a different example for contrast. Saki. Who is Saki? Who is Saki? 私です。私が Saki です。In this case, the person wants to know who Saki is. So the most important thing is who, I. In this type of sentence, we use ga in this case after 私. Let me give you one more example. 田中さんは社長です。Mr. or Ms. Tanaka is a company president. In this case, you want to explain what Mr. or Ms. Tanaka does. But if you say, 田中さんが社長です。Mr. or Ms. Tanaka is the company president. In this case, you are telling the listener who the president of a certain company is. If you live or have lived in Japan, you've probably seen the hotel chain called Aba Hotel. The company president catchphrase is 私が社長です. They want to let people know who the president is. Number 2. Interrogative plus ga. Wa plus interrogative. When we have a question word before particle, we use ga. When we have it after the particle, we use wa. Another way to say this is that if a sentence or clause starts with a question word, we will use ga. For example, 誰が来ますか? 誰が来ますか? Who is coming? 誰 is a question word, which means who. どこがいいですか? どこがいいですか? Where do you prefer? どこ means where. 会議は何時からですか? 会議は何時からですか? What time does the meeting start? 何時 means what time. ご出身はどちらですか? ご出身はどちらですか? Where are you from? どちら means where. It's a formal way of saying どこ. Number 3. Wa is used to compare, contrast, or suggest. ローリーさん、ラーメン食べに行きませんか? いいですね。ラーメンは好きです。ラーメンは? If you say, ラーメンは好きです, it sounds like you may not like other Japanese foods or something, but you like ラーメン. You are contrasting ラーメン with other things. If you just want to say you like ラーメン, use が。ラーメンが好きです。not は。One more example. ローリーさん、コーヒー飲めますか? はい、コーヒーは飲めます。じゃあ、お茶は苦手ですか? お茶飲めますよ。じゃあ、何が飲めないんですか? 何か飲めないって言いましたっけ? If you say, コーヒーは飲めます, it implies that there is something else or there are other things that you can't drink. Number 4. New information plus が. Topic already mentioned plus は. 昨日、新しい社員が入った。その社員は ABC で働いていたらしい。 昨日新しい社員が入った。その社員は ABC で働いていたらしい。Yesterday, a new employee started. I heard that the employee used to work for ABC. 社員 in the first sentence was new information. That's why I said が. In the second sentence, 社員 is no longer a new topic. So I used は. Number 5. When we report a direct observation, we use が. あ、蝶々が飛んでいる。We don't say 蝶々は飛んでいる since we were reporting what we just saw. Let me give you one more example. あ、ゴキブリが死んでいる。In this case, you're just saying that you saw the cockroach is dead. But when you talk in generalities, you use は. For example, 人はいつか必ず死ぬ。People will die someday for sure. We are talking about a general fact, so we use は. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll upload more useful videos, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. みんな一緒に頑張ろう